Hey everybody, it's Earth Day 2020. This is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. It is an annual event celebrated on April 22nd every year to demonstrate support for environmental protection. The way I define it is by just helping out the earth. So what can you do? Can you clean up trash? Can you plant a tree? Just something to help the earth out. So what I'm going to do for my first task, and the first task that I would like you to do as well, is to walk around my neighborhood and count how many trees that I see. Keep in mind that if you are not going to walk your neighborhood, that's totally okay. If you want to count how many trees you have in your yard or anything like that, or on the computer, that's okay as well. But if you are walking around the neighborhood, make sure that you are walking with an adult and that you are staying safe and 6 feet away from everybody. All right, so let's see. That's 1 tree, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so I didn't even walk that far from my house and I found 18 trees. How many trees did you find? Another thing you can do to help out the earth is to look on the ground around your neighborhood or around your house and pick up trash. So I've already found this piece of trash. This is an old balloon that nobody threw away. And so I'm going to throw that in the trash as well. Oh wow, someone left their water bottle out. I'm going to pick that up. Still got water in it. Looks like that's a piece of paper. Piece of foam. Plastic. So that's another way that you can help out, is by walking around and picking up any trash that you see, safely of course, and with an adult. Another way that you can help the earth is by recycling. So Sook's gonna help me recycle my box. Okay. We have a recycle bin that gets taken out every Tuesday. And they use it for boxes. So I'm gonna take my box here and put it in my recycle bin for boxes. And it's got the yellow lid on that to symbolize using that for boxes. So that's one way that you can help recycle. Another way that you can help the earth is by reusing items. So we like to reuse our bags at the grocery store. So we have bags like this that we can keep reusing to put our food in, instead of using plastic bags over and over and over again. Another way that I reuse is by using toilet paper rolls for during math journal time. So remember, I use these as my tins and I just reuse those as those base tin models, and that's how I can reuse the toilet paper rolls. So here are our activities for today. This is our math one, counting tens and ones. You are welcome to complete this outside as it is Earth Day, and be sure to take your time on it. So it says count the tens and ones, write the total of each on the small lines, then write the sum of both numbers on the large line. So we've got 1, 2 tens. We have 2 tens, okay? And then we have how many ones? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So together that makes 25. So our number for our first one is 25. Today's reading activity goes through today and tomorrow. It's called Ending Blends. Okay, so I just want you to do 1 through 7 today because that's half, and then do 8 through 14 tomorrow. Okay, so it says, say the name for each picture, find the word that names the picture, write it beside the picture, and underline the ending blend. So for number one we have our mask. Okay, this is a picture of a mask. You can circle it, mark it out however you want to do it. Right, mask, and then underline that sk, because that's the ending blend. And go ahead and do that for numbers 1 through 7 for today, and that is our reading activity. This is an Earth Day activity you can do. You can use crayons or colored pencils or whatever you would like to use to color. So you have one that's blank that you can do whatever you want with. And then you've also got one with numbers. So it's got 1 for orange, 2 for blue, 3 green, 4 purple, and 5 brown. And you can follow that, and that's a good Earth Day activity. Another thing you can do is write a sentence in your letter to Pete the cat about how you participated in Earth Day today. Happy Earth Day, everybody. Enjoy your day.